Hey, this is Chef Perry, and today we're going to make cheeseburger egg rolls, which are one of my favorite party dishes. As you can see, it's a pretty simple ingredient list, and they're fairly easy to make and quick. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do our mise en place, or lay out all of our ingredients. Season our burger patties with a little salt and pepper. I had some leftover frozen ones, but you can certainly use fresh ground beef as well. We're going to let that fry on one side, and then go ahead and flip it over. Season that second side as well to get a lot of flavor into that meat. Once your burger patties are done cooking, we're going to go ahead and move them off to some paper towels to soak up some of that extra grease. And once they've rested for 2 or 3 minutes, we'll cut them into strips. Add an ounce of shredded cheese to the middle of your egg roll wrapper. Top that with 1 slice of beef and a teaspoon of dill pickle relish. Now we'll brush the outside edges of the wrapper with a little beaten egg. Fold in the right and left hand sides of the wrapper. Roll the whole thing up. And give it a little press to make sure the egg wash seals it. We've heated our vegetable oil to medium-high, and we'll fry our egg rolls until brown and crispy, then flip and do the same on the second side. Once both sides are nice and brown, let's move them over to some paper towels to drain and cool a bit. I serve mine with a combination of ketchup and mustard, or even better, some Thai sweet chili sauce. So there you go, cheeseburger egg rolls. Serve them at your next game day party or any party, and you'll be glad you did. This is Chef Perry. See you next time.